Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Duduzile Zuma Sompudla. Former President Jacob Zuma's daughter Duduzile Zuma Sompudla has taken aim at President Cyril Ramaphosa after his departure to Eswatini while South Africa is busy with the local elections. On the 2nd of November, Ramaphosa undertook a working visit to Eswatini for deliberations on political and security developments in the kingdom. According to the presidency, Ramaphosa would have an audience with the King Mswati. This comes after a visit to the kingdom by special envoys in October who had been directed to visit Eswatini by Ramaphosa in his capacity as a chair of Southern African Development Country Body on Politics, Defense and Security. Duduzile Zuma Sompudla suggested that Ramaphosa's visit was badly timed. Via social media, she wrote, "Tell Cyril there are elections at home and ANC is not doing well. I hold Cyril leaving the country in the middle of an election. This man doesn't see us." She also said, "We can't be shocked by numbers. Former President Jacob Zuma warned us of the plan to destroy the ANC. The only winner here is Cyril. His mandate from YMC, White Monopoly Capital, has been delivered. That's why he isn't even bothered. He left the country." What's your take on this, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye, good people.